guys, what is up? It is Jason here. It's Jason, and we are back with another unboxing video. Right now, we only have one package. It is from your favorite website in the whole wide world, Far East Tactical GHQ. Again, it's wrapped up in a ball, which means I'm gonna have a fun time opening this. So today is January 16th of 2022. I have one more day of vacay left, and then Tuesday I go back to school, so that should be fun. It's also my last semester, hopefully. It's assuming if I don't mess around and get decent grades. So how was your day today? Did you guys eat? Did you guys do anything fun? Did you guys get your glass of water? Anything like that? Let me know down in the comments below. Wow, I messed it up a little bit. So I'm just currently going about trying to figure out how I'm gonna open this, because this guy wrapped it up in a ball. Actually, I don't even know if it's a guy. It could be a girl or a, whatever gender they go by. That's fine by me. This is so annoying. Imagine if there was like money in here and like you just had to intricately open the packet and it took like a million years to try to open it. That would be so bad. All right, guys, we're getting somewhere, I think. All right, now I'm just gonna rip it open because this is annoying. Alrighty, I think there's also something else in here. Oh shoot, I think he had to. I just gotta make sure I don't cut anything that I'm not supposed to. Come on, this is not fair. Why do they do this to me? Why is it always like in a gigantic ball? Why couldn't it be like in a regular box? That would be so much more easier to open. But no, they want to make life more difficult for me. Maybe it's just me. Maybe they just put it in a ball like specifically for me. They're like, nah, Jason, we're gonna make your unboxing videos 10 times more harder than it has to be, because we love to see you suffer. Alrighty. Come on, man. Oh, shit. Jeez. I know you guys can't see it on the camera right now, but I am struggling. Due to struggling to open a package right now. Alright, I think it should be open enough. In addition to my package, I also got a patch, Far East Tactical, that I requested. Maybe I'll put that on something. I don't know what, but maybe I'll put on this uniform. Can I take it out? Can I take it out? Oh, yes. Yes, I can. Okay, so that package is done for. I just gotta open it up. We have some Turkish nano camo. You can't really see it because I have the light on and it's extremely dark out and the lighting is awful in here. I'm sorry, but yeah, we have some Turkish nano camo. This is a recent camo. I'm really bad at explaining these things, but like I swear I should have had notes, but Turkish nano camo is a recent addition to their collection of camos that they have. I think it's in the process of being replaced. It's supposed to be a very similar pattern in this, but like with slightly different colors. That's kind of the move nowadays. Like a lot of these nations will just have updated versions of relatively the same camo scheme, but here we are. And just like with the Chinese set, this is also a complete set. I have no idea what size it's in, because there was a large and extra large left, so I was one of two people who could have got this. So I was the second last person to snag me some. There's the pants. This is the jacket right now. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, this is the field jacket. Pretty cool. This is a camo I've wanted for like a hot minute now, and I'm kind of glad that I got it. Actually, what do you mean kind of glad? I am very glad that I got this. So what we are going to do is we're going to try that on. And I'm not even going to bother with the pants because it's not going to show up on camera. I'm pretty sure it should fit. But my mom is starting to catch up on me buying this, and she has her own gripes against it. So you guys might not get this content for a while now. I have a bunch of other stuff coming in, so just be on the lookout for that. I also have a new lyric video up. You should go check that out. It's a very popular song by The Weeknd, if I may. So I don't think it shows the size on here, does it? Oh, no, it doesn't. As per usual, there is some string. There we go. Put this on. I don't think there's any provisions for putting patches. Is that too small? I think that's too small. Hold up, guys. I gotta fix the cuffs because it came unbuttoned. Yeah, really digging the camo scheme. I like it. This is definitely one of my top favorite camos. Very unique, and it's kind of like a counterpart to my Greek wizard. Because Turkey and Greece are not exactly the friendliest of neighbors for obvious. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a big one. Also, I'm kind of glad that the guys actually looked at my comment and just like, I said like, hey, if you guys can put a little patch in there, that'd be cool too. I actually got a patch. That's amazing. I love them. I love them for that. This is gonna be one of the thinner ones. That's so annoying. But then again, like Turkish climate tends to be kind of hot, so I can see why it's thin. I just wish it was a little bit thicker, man. Especially because it's so cold out in New York right now. Like I went outside and it was like 12 degrees out 12, 19, 20, like it fluctuates here and there, but it's really cold out. Oh, if you guys didn't catch one earlier, the long sleeve I'm wearing now is an MXM Tune long sleeve. I think she has some up on her website still. So if you guys want to go snag some, I can direct you to that. Come on. Why is it not fitting? I don't want to just leave that button like unbuttoned. It feels weird. Just fit. Why is it not fitting? There we go. So here we have it. Some of that Turkish nano camo. Just gonna spin around a little bit. This is perfect for arid weather, which is totally not the case right now. Everything is pitch white, so this is a terrible camo right now for central New York. And then obviously I have the pants. I'm gonna try this off camera because can't see it anyways. So this is what it looks like. This is the front. Is this the front? I'm so confused. Yeah, okay, this is the front. I was so confused for like a hot minute. 10 out of 10. This is very perfect for my edition. So yeah, this is Turkish nano camo. It is a compliment and rather like complete opposite to Greek lizard. I got both of their camo schemes. It's very unique, and I like how it's in grip stop because that way it doesn't get damaged as easily. I think I could adjust this a little bit more. I'm gonna leave it. This is the video. I also got a little patch for that too. The package. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna put it on because that's the video. That's all I got for you today. There's more stuff coming in, and then I'm gonna take a little hiatus on buying stuff because I have no money in my bank account and my mom's kind of like on the rails about it. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below what you think about all the stuff that I've got today. Well, actually, only one thing, but still. It's a complete set and with a patch to boot. Can't beat that. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you guys later.